Hello guys, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome back again. In this video, I'll show you how to use define before before any calculation. If we want to set a value, that means if we want a predefined, then we can use the define keyword. Okay, the how we will use sometimes say that we have to need calculate like this: pi r square, the area of circle equal to pi r square. So how we'll calculate this? So we can say that write a program with input radius, find the value of area of circle like this. Okay, let's see. First of all, we have to need uh, defined a few variables like float. I would like to use the radius means r, and the value of area, and we will use the value of phi. That means define phi equal to 3.1416. Okay, the value of pi exactly not 3.1416. This value is approximately 3.1416. Okay, now we have to need to use the scanf. Okay, scanf, the value of a radius is f, and the ampersand r. We are taking the value for radius, that means r, and now we'll calculate. Before scanf, we can set a printf, that means enter radius value. Okay, that's better. Okay, now calculate the area equal to r into r, and the pi means pi. Okay, this pi equal to this pi. Now print the area of circle. Okay, area of circle %f and the area. Okay, and we can use the after the fraction we'll see the 0.3. Okay, now build and run the scanf. The area of pi, it's not working. The pi means maybe I use the big space or something. Enter the value 3, enter. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, the radius value is 2. The 2 means 2 into 2, that means 4, and 3 into 4, 12. Okay, 12.56666. okay, just I used 0.3 for after point. So that's it. Thank you very much.